You'll get something. So they will provide that. Okay, Talha, Shama, and this one. Yeah, so where were we? We completed this first chapter. So how were the questions they just
They
were
were
they
easy.
they were easy. Good,
Yes,
good. Good that you now can think that they were easy, right?
yes, sir.
Okay, so where at this? So we completed this second question, right?
Mm, just a minute, sir.
So when you were there, we completed this second question.
Yes, sir.
Right, so let us start with this third question because I directly went into this third third chapter to talk about this elimination method, right?
Yes, sir.
So let me go back and start from where we should start, right? Because your exams were happening, so I skipped these parts. So let us start from here. Okay, who has joined? Yeah, so this is the sixth question. Okay. So first question is my turn, right? And the second will be your turn. And Shama can also join because Shama is here, right? So substitution method you know already, Shama, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So Shama is from the first batch here.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So third first question. And it is my turn. So in the linear equation in two variables, first thing that I always ask, and what is that? Rizwan and Talha are doing this. So who is Muhammad Abdul Jabbar? Let me talk to the Learnivio team and because Amar is there and Amira is there. So who is this Muhammad Abdul Jabbar? Okay. The host will join. Yeah. So the first question is, what are the two unknowns? Right. So we have the difference between two numbers 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Right. So what are the two unknowns, Tejasvi?
Uh, let the larger number be X and the smaller number be Y.
Yeah. Larger and smaller, we can talk about. Let's select the number. So let one number is X, right? And the other is obviously, if the other number is 3 times the smaller one, so there will be a smaller and larger, right? So this is one, right? And from the first information, difference between them is 26, right? So as you say, we calculate the difference between the larger and the smaller number, right?
Well done.
Done. Okay, so
I did one mistake.
it doesn't matter. So it doesn't matter. I will discuss that question in the class. And where's Tala? What is
So it was just the assertion reason.
huh?
Yeah, I did the same mistake. Assertion and reason.
Assertion and real. So maybe there must be a problem with the question. Right? Don't
No, question
underestimate.
is so good.
Yeah, don't
Question
underestimate.
is-
Maybe that question was wrong. Assertion and reason question was wrong. So don't
It's
underestimate.
correct.
It's correct. Oh,
Which I did wrong.
oh, okay. Okay, so bye guys, bye Tala and bye Rizwan. And if Shaima wants to join, so she can be here, right? Yeah. So yeah, as Tejasvi said, let's assume that this is the larger number. So what would be?
Personally,
Yeah, you are. You guys can. Or you
Of
guys
course.
want to
Goodbye,
be there?
sir. I
Yeah,
love this.
bye.
Thank you,
No,
sir.
no, thank you,
Bye.
sir. Not with
Yeah. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye. Yes, Tejasvi. What would be the difference between two numbers?
X
Yeah,
x minus y equals 26.
x minus y equals to 26. So if you are saying that x minus y equals to 26, then you are assuming that who is the larger number?
X.
X is the larger, right? So this is the larger, this is the smaller. Okay, and yeah, who is in the chat box? Yeah, Shaima. So if you want to stay, you can stay, or if you want to leave, then you can leave, right? So, okay, so I will do a backup class for the linear equation two variables at some point later. So you can leave, right? Because you will be tired. So yeah. Okay, Shaima. Yeah. So, bye, Shaima. Bye. Allah Hafiz.
Bye.
Yes. So who is this Muhammad Abdul Jabbar who is speaking, and why Amira and Ahmad didn't join? Yeah, so x minus y is 26, right? And what is the other information?
Um,
One number is 3 times the other, right?
yes, sir.
So who is the larger number? X. This is 3
Equals to
times 3
3
what?
y.
3y.
3y.
Yes. So 3y. Right. So now we know we have two equations. And in the substitution method, we want to calculate one value of the y variable. Right.
Yes,
So
sir.
we have already that. We have that already, right?
Yes, sir.
So we can just put this value in this equation. So putting the value of x in first, right? So this would be how much?
3y minus.
Yeah, 3y minus y is 26. Yes. So 2y is 26 and y is 30. And x is 3y, so x is 3 into 30, so 39.
39.
Yeah, so this question was simple, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if you want to note it down, or you have done this question already. I guess.
Yes, sir. We have done this in the class already. In
Oh,
my
in your
school.
school.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us skip that and let us do this second problem. So yeah, the larger of two supplementary. So this is the crucial information. Supplementary angles. So what are the supplementary angles? What do we mean by supplementary angles? Yes, there is few. Do you remember the angles complementary, supplementary, obtuse, acute, all those type of angles? Yes,
I remember the acute right angle and the obtuse angle.
obtuse angle, but you don't remember the supplement. So
Yes.
we have this complementary angle. Complementary meaning if I have two angles, let's say 30 and 60. So their sum is how much? Right. So
Yes,
if
sir.
if the angle sum is 90, so those two pair of angles are called the complementary. Right. But
Okay.
if the sum is 180, so these two angles will be called supplementary.
Okay.
Understood. So if two angles are supplementary, which means that their sum is how much?
180.
180. So this is the first information. Oh.
Okay, sir.
So first we have to assume that what are the two unknowns? Right. What are the two unknowns? Two angles. Right.
Triangle. Yes, sir.
So let's assume that one angle is x and the other angle is y.
Y.
So from this information, what would be the equation?
X plus y equals to 180.
Yes, absolutely right. And we have this other information, exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees, right? So let's say that larger angle is x. So this would be exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees.
Y plus 18.
Y plus 18, right? So this exceeds the smaller one by 18. So yeah, we can again use this, put this value in this first equation, and we will get the value of the one value. So putting this value in this, so y plus 18 plus y is 180 degrees. So 2y is 180 minus 18. So 2y is 2, and this is how much? So this is 7 minus 1, 6, and 160. So this is 81. Right, and the other angle would be, who is this? Let me talk to the Learnivio team and ask if it's
Okay, sir.
because the name is popping up and he is waiting for half an hour. So y is 81 and x would be 81 plus 80. So this would be 9 and 9. So this question is already done in your school.
Yes, sir.
So what should I do? Because all the question is already done. Let me talk to the Learnivio team and ask about that. Teach about. So what should I do? Should I take all the take the doubts only, or do all these questions again?
We can.
Yeah, we can, and then blank. So we can watch. Yeah, you think, and in the meanwhile, I will talk to the.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Tejasvi. So he is in the 9th class. Abdul
Okay.
Jabbar. Yeah. So maybe he's joining the wrong link. So they have provided the correct. Yeah. So what should I do? Should I do all these questions, or do you have? So should I go for the doubts that you have in this?
So we will
exercise?
solve some questions from elimination method.
Yeah. Okay. So should I skip this exercise then? Okay, so let us skip this exercise and yeah, go into this elimination. Okay, so we should start from the first.
Yes, sir. From anywhere.
Yeah, so uh, first we need to learn about this elimination method, right? I have talked about this, so let us repeat that again. So in elimination method, what we do is that we eliminate one of the variables. Right, and how do we do that? So we make one of the coefficients same, and then we add or subtract. Right, so these are the two steps that we follow in the elimination method. So let's see by one of the examples. So x plus y is 5. So what are the coefficients here? 1 and 1, right?
Yes, sir.
And in 2x minus 3y equals to 4, what are the coefficients? 2 and 3.
Yes, sir.
So what we can do is that we can either make this coefficient same. So how can we make this coefficient same? By multiplying this equation by? Yes. How can we make this as the same coefficient as this? So this is
By
2 here.
adding or subtracting.
No, no. First, we have to make
One
the
of-
coefficients.
Okay,
So
sir.
we can multiply 2 here. So this will be 2x plus 2y equals to 10. Right.
Yes, sir.
So you can see that this coefficient is same as this one.
Yes, sir.
Or either or we can do is that we can multiply this equation by 3. So this will make 3x plus 3y equals to 5, and this is 2x minus 3y equals to 4. So this coefficient is same now, right?
Yes, sir.
This is different and this is same. So we can do either of them, right? So let us make the x coefficient same. So to make the x coefficient same, you know already we have to multiply this by 2. So this would be 2x plus 2y equals to 5, and 2x minus 3y equals to 4. So this part is done. First step is done, right?
Yes, sir.
Now we have to add or subtract. So we have to cancel x. So what we should do? Subtract or add?
Subtract, add.
No, if we add, this would be 4x, right?
Okay,
So
so
we need, yeah, subtract. So we need to subtract, the sign will change. So this is plus, this will change. This is minus, this will be plus. This is plus, this will be minus. Right, so this would be, this will cancel. And 2y plus 5y and 3y. So 5y. Right.
yes, sir.
And 5 minus 4. So 1. So y will come out to be 1 by 5.
Okay, sir.
And to calculate the value of x, we have to use this equation, right? So x plus y is 5. So x plus 1 by 5 is 5. So x is 5 minus 1 by 5, which is 24 by 5. Right.
Yes, sir.
So please note it down.
Yes, sir.
Right. I didn't write the question. So the question was, yeah, this was the question. And now you will help me in solving the second problem.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So Amelia and Amar didn't join. So they are taking the revenge. So the previous class revenge they are taking, right?
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, I had shoulder cramp. That's why I wasn't able to join.
Oh. Okay. So are you okay now? Are you well now? How's that cramp?
It's okay, sir.
So how did you pull that cramp?
So actually, I have no idea. My parents told it might be because of the sleeping moments.
Yeah, because in your sleep you don't know how did you sleep. So
Yes,
the
sir.
posture, yeah. So the postures can make can create the cramps.
Yes, sir.
So and this happens due to lack of water, due to dehydration. So
Yes, sir. Actually, doctor told I have calcium problem though.
yeah, calcium problem and dehydration. Yeah, so
Done, sir.
yeah, okay. Please take care of yourself, right? Because this is not the age to get those kind of plans, right? It happens
Yes.
in my age, in the old age. So
Yes.
you guys are younger, so yeah. Okay. So let us do this second problem. And this is your turn, right?
Yes, sir.
3x plus 4y equals to 10 and 2x minus 2y equals to 2. So what should we multiply? This equation we should multiply, right? So what should we multiply?
Mhm.
We can
But
make, yeah, we can make any of the coefficients. Don't bother about the x and y. We can make any of the coefficients. So which one is easy?
4.
4y, right? So we should multiply the second equation with,
This first occasion.
no, this is 4, this is 2, right?
Yes.
What's it? So we should multiply this equation with,
Um.
just think that we have to make it 4. This is 2, this is 4. So how can we make this same?
4x plus 4x minus 4y equals to. No.
Yeah. Because you multiply it with 2, right? That is how it became 4x minus 4y. So
Yes,
you
sir.
were right? Because we should multiply this by 2. Right, so then this equation would become 4x minus 4y equals to 2. So you see that this is same as this, right?
Yes, sir.
So then what we should do? We should add or subtract.
Subtract.
So again, if we subtract, so this would be minus 4. So minus that would be minus 8y.
So
So add, right? So in addition, sign doesn't change. So this will cancel and this would be 7x and this would be 40.
yes,
Did you
sir.
understand this part?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because if you have any doubt, you can ask, right? So x is 2 and this is 2x minus 2y is 2. So 2 into 2 minus 2y is 2. So 4 minus 2y is 2 minus 2y is 2 minus 4. So minus 2y is minus 2. So y is 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And we could have also made this coefficient same, right? But we had to multiply it twice because 3x plus 4y is 10 and 2x minus 2y is 2. So how can we make this coefficient same? How can we make? Because we have made the y part, so that was one thing. But if you want to make x coefficient same, so how can you do that? The answer is that, yeah, The hint is that you have to multiply both equations. Right?
By
Yes. So you have 3, you have 2, right?
yes, sir.
So I cannot multiply this and make this as 3. So
Yes, sir.
I have to multiply this by 2 and I have to multiply this by 3. Then this would become 6x plus 8y equals to 50 and this would become 6x minus 6y. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So yeah, this way we can make the coefficients.
Okay.
So it is your choice, whatever you are comfortable with, which coefficient you want to make the same. So you can make the coefficient same like that. It is your choice, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so did you note down this part? Forget about this part. This was just for understanding. You note down this part.
Yes, sir.
And third question, Arvind. So
Done, sir.
whenever, yeah, done. Okay, the third question. So in the third question, 3x minus 5y equals to 4 and 9x minus 2y equals to 7. Because I had to arrange this because this was not given in this form. So I had to arrange this. Right.
Yes. Yes, sir.
And how can I make the coefficient same? I can make this coefficient same as this one. So what should I multiply here? Yes.
9.
We have, this is 3 already. And we have
Yes.
to make it 9. So we should multiply it with. If I multiply it with 9, so this would become 27, right? 27x. We want to make it 9x. So what should we multiply here?
3. No.
Yes. Oh, so you multiply 3 and see what is coming, right? So if we multiply 3, so what will be there? So if I multiply 3, multiply it by 3, so what would come out? 3x into 3 would be how much?
3x.
Yeah, 3x into 3. So x is not multiplied, you have 3 into 3. 3x into 3, right?
3. Yes, sir.
3x into 3 is how much? So only the numbers can multiply. Yeah.
X. No.
There is 3. What is happening? Because 3x into 3. So
3x minus 3. No.
we have to multiply 3 into 3 is how much?
9.
9. And x
X,
is there.
9x.
9x. Because x cannot be multiplied, only the number will be multiplied. So 3 into 3, 9, and then you have this x sitting
Yes,
beside.
9x.
So exam pressure is still on, or
No, sir. No.
because exams are over. Relax, right? Yeah, so 9x and again, let me ask you, 5y into 3 would be how?
15y, sir.
Yeah, now it is clear. Yeah, so and 12. So you see, this is same, right? 9x minus 2y equals to 7. So this and this are same now. So we should add or subtract.
Add,
Add, addition would give me 18.
subtract.
Subtract. So this will change, this will change, this will change. So this cancels and this is minus 15 plus 2. So how much?
13.
Right, and 12 minus 7 is 5. So y is minus 5 by 30. Right,
Yes, sir.
and 3x minus y, 5y was 4. So 3x minus 5 into minus of 5 by 13 equals to 4. So this would be how much? Minus 5 into minus 5.
Minus 5. 25.
25 by 30. Right, so this is 35 and 3x is 4 minus 25 by 30. So 3x is 52 minus 25 by 30. So this is 3x is 27 by 30. X is 27, 3 nines are so 9 by 30. Okay, x is 9 by 13, y is minus 5 by 30. So you please note it down. And the next question is important because we have only 2 turns because Amira and Amar are not present. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So whenever you need me to scroll down the screen, please tell me.
Yes. Second scroll. Done, sir.
Okay, so okay, one good question. So x by 2 plus 2y by 3 is minus 1. X minus y by 3 is 3. So this is not in the simpler looking equation, right?
Yes, sir.
So first thing we should do is we should do what? We have to make it simpler, right? And how can we do that? We can do it by LCM, right?
Yes, sir.
So let us solve this first equation. So let us take it here. So we have to take the LCM. LCM of 2 and 3 is how much?
6.
6. So 6 divided by 2, 3. So 3x, 3, 2. So 4y equals to -1. So 3x plus 4y equals to -6. So this is the nice looking equation, right?
Yes, sir.
And now let us solve this. So this would be 3, and 3x minus y is 3. So 3x minus y is 9. Right. This is the second equation.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So this is already done, right?
Yes, sir.
Because already the coefficients are same. So we don't need to multiply it with something, right? So
Yes, sir.
what we should do? Add or subtract?
Add.
Hmm?
Subtract.
So there are two options. So if one is not correct, the other obviously the other will be correct. So if we add 3x plus 3x would be 6x, right?
Yes, sir.
So we have to subtract. So minus this would be plus, this would be plus. So this is how much? This cancelled and this is how much?
5y.
Minus y plus 4y.
Minus 5y, sir, right?
Minus y and plus 4y. Minus y plus 4y. So there is a negative. So you take 1 from 4, right?
Okay.
Because 4y minus y, how much is that?
3y.
Right. So this is exactly the same. 4y minus y. So 3y.
Okay.
Right? Plus 4y minus 3y. So minus y. So this is 3y.
15y.
3y and 9 plus 6. Right.
15.
Yes, 15. So y is 5, and we can calculate x from there, from here, right? Where is that equation? From here, right?
Yes, sir.
So x would be 3x minus y is 9. So 3x minus 5 is 9. So 3x would be 9 plus 5. What's this the equation? So 3x is 14, x is 14 by 3. Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please note down this part, and then we will do the word problems. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And please be there for the class assessment test. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that would be on substitution.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, can you give me 2 seconds, 2 minutes? There's someone on the gate.
Yeah, of course, of course. Yeah.
I'm here, sir. Done, sir.
Done. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so done. This
Yes,
part
sir.
is also done.
Oh, no.
We only calculated y, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so calculate and solve.
Done, sir.
Okay, so now we have word problems, right? So in the word problems, we have to gather all the information that we have and then use this idea
Yes.
of linear equation, right? So this was your term, so let me do this question. First question I will do, and then you will do the second question. Right, so if we add 1 to the numerator, subtract 1 from the denominator, so again the same question. What are the two unknowns in here?
Numerator and denominator.
Yes, yes, numerator and denominator, like that. So numerator and x and denominator
Y.
y. All right, so not denominator, denominator y. Right, and
Yes.
the fraction would be x by y.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
So what is what they are saying? If we add 1 to the numerator, right? So if we add 1 to the numerator, so x plus 1, and subtract 1 from the denominator,
Y minus.
right? So a fraction reduces to 1. So this becomes 1.
Yes, sir.
Right, so this would be, so now we have to multiply this, right? So this would become x plus 1 is y minus 1, right?
Yes, sir.
So x and minus y, and then minus 1, and this goes to minus 1. So x minus y is minus. This is the first equation.
Yes, sir.
And now what is the other information? So it becomes half. So it becomes half if we only add 1 to the denominator. So the numerator is unchanged and the denominator is added by 1. Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have to use the cross multiplication. So this will become how much?
2x.
X is y plus 1.
Y
Right.
plus, sir.
So x minus y is 1.
Yes,
This
sir.
is the second equation. And first equation is x minus y is minus 2. Right.
Yes, sir.
So you see that this is already done because this coefficient is already the same.
Yes, sir.
Right. So what we should do? Add or subtract?
Subtract.
Yes, yes. Subtract. This will change. This will change. So this will cancel. 2x minus x is x. Plus 2 plus 1 is 3. So x is 3, and what was this? X minus y was minus 2. So using this first equation. Okay. So x is 3 minus y is minus 2. So minus y is minus 2 minus 3. So minus y is minus 5. So y is 5.
Right.
Okay, so quickly note this down, and then you will do this second method.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I guess in the next this chapter in the video, so we can start this polynomial part, right?
Yes, sir. Teacher, sorry, sir, Amira also has exams, right?
Yeah, so that will happen on 25th. So I guess she is preparing for her exams.
Yes, sir.
She was remembering you the last time. You were not there, so she was remembering. Actually, she was missing you. Not remembering. Yeah.
So can you scroll down?
Yes.
Done, sir.
Okay, so what we will do is that we'll keep this 4 question for the next time. So we'll start with the second question, right?
Yes, sir.
And yeah, because Amira will be there, so if she is there, then we can complete these 4 questions. And then I'll start that first, second chapter. So
Okay,
can
sir.
you please log into your account and open that test class assessment?
Okay, sir. Just a minute.
Yeah, please log into that and take the assessment, and after that assessment, take rest. Have some calcium tablets and take rest. Lots of rest.
So in assessments, it's available at no, not available. Nothing is available over there.
Nothing is available. How is that
Yes,
possible?
sir.
Not any active test.
No, sir.
Okay, so yeah, so take rest there. Take rest. And yeah, so this calcium deficiency is caused by this vitamin D deficiency, right? So
Yes, sir.
yeah, so take the morning walk. Don't skip the morning walks, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is the perfect time